Hi everyone! Do you ever feel overwhelmed by all the different types of charts in IELTS Writing Task 1? Line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, tables, and sometimes they even mix 2 or 3 types in one question. It's easy to feel stressed as you need to memorize like 10 different strategies for every single chart. Well, here's the good news. You don't need a bunch of strategies for IELTS Task 1. You only need one simple structure that works for any chart. Let's dive into it. So why use this structure? Well, it's a clear, logical 4-paragraph structure that works for any Task 1 chart. This includes an introduction. You will say what the chart shows in one sentence. An overview. Here you will highlight the big picture and key features. And 2 body paragraphs. This is where you will give details and comparisons. But here's the thing. The overview isn't just a summary. It's the heart of your report, and it secretly sets up the rest of your writing. I'll show you how in the next part. Let's have a look at our introduction, the first paragraph you'll write. This is the easiest part of your report. It's just one clear sentence to tell the examiner what the chart is about. Here are 4 crucial elements you want to include in a single sentence. First, the type of chart. Second, the subject of the data. Third, the groups or categories shown. And finally, the time period, if there is any. Here's a formula you can use every time. Take this bar chart for example. We'll write an introduction like this. The bar chart illustrates the percentage of part-time employees in 4 UK countries in 1980 and 2010. Notice how this one sentence already does everything we need. It mentions the chart type, which is a bar chart. It describes the subject, percentage of part-time employees. It includes the groups, 4 UK countries, and it adds the time period, 1980 and 2010. That's it. Don't overthink this step. You've only got 20 minutes. We're going to move on to the overview now. And this is the most important part of your writing. You don't want to focus on numbers or tiny details here. This is where you describe the overall trends and features of the chart. Here, you will need 2 sentences that cover the general trends. Is there an overall increase, decrease, fluctuation? And some special points. Which category is the highest? Which is the lowest? Here's an example. Overall, most countries experienced an increase in part-time employment between 1980 and 2010. Wales consistently had the highest figures, while Scotland just started with lowest but rose significantly by 2010. The overview does more than just summarize the chart. It secretly sets the stage for your body paragraphs. Here's how your overview shapes the rest of your writing. Let's look at our example again. In the overview, we identified 2 major trends. Trend A, most countries increased, and trend B. Wales had the highest figure, while Scotland started lowest but rose significantly. These aren't random observations. It's actually a guideline for your body paragraphs. With this overview, your first body paragraph will expand on trend A, the general increases across all countries. And the second one will expand on trend B, the extremes and notable changes. That's why when you finish your overview in the exam, you've already built a clear plan for the rest of your writing. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow our Facebook page for more practical and friendly English learning tips. I'll see you in the next video.